Hi everyone, my name is Matthew. We're here again from SwitchBot to show you guys how SwitchBot S10 performs when it comes to mopping at home. Now I know a lot of you are quite concerned about contamination at home when mopping. A couple of comparisons that we're going to do today to show you exactly how SwitchBot S10 compares against other branded robot vacuums. And I have here now with me one of the mopping pads from the Dream and also a mop plate, if you will, from the Robo. You can see now, so we're going to basically tell you the difference between using these kind of mops. Now, the reason why we believe so is because you'll see that with these kind of mops, they actually have a lot of pressure that is pressured onto the floor, which actually helps spread contaminated, items around, like for example, ketchup or even maybe, wine or whatnot. And it's going to actually prevent you from cleaning it up. And with the you're going to actually not be able to mop up as well as you would like. Now, you'll probably want to be using something a little more like this, which is our RevoRoll Roller Mop. And as you can see, it's circulated, but not only that, when used with RinseSync as well, you'll be able to actually completely self-clean in real time when using your mop, which prevents it from getting everything else dirty, and it rolls like so, as you can see, rather than actually putting pressure down on the floor, which will stop spreading contaminated bits and pieces around the home, but also makes everything a lot more cleaner as well. So it's time for us to get started, and we'll see exactly how it performs against other branded robots vacuums as well. And we have here today the Robo, the Dream, and also the Eco. And we have a set laid out area here now for mopping, and we have some Coke, yogurt and soy sauce as well. And we've arranged for 20 millimeters worth of each kind to be laid out on the floor here now. Who was the better mop? Time for us to get started. And with Eco and Dream, you'll find that with the mop pads that they use, they were able to clean the middle area of what they were mopping, actually were not able to be cleaned successfully. Now, however, with SwitchBot S10 and the roller mop that we use, you'll find that every single piece of the area that was mopped was done cleanly, resulting in a much better mop overall. And when it comes to carpet detection, you'll find that a lot of other brands use mops that only lift instead of retracting inside, which is what SwitchBot S10 does. When S10 detects carpets, it will retract its RevoRoll Roller Mop inside the main body to scrape off water stains found on your mop. This helps keep your mop dry, which means no wet carpet. When SwitchBot S10 and other robot vacuums go onto the carpet, and we'll see exactly what happens now. So as you can see, SwitchBot S10 outperforms when it comes to mopping on hard flooring, and also when it comes to preventing your carpet from getting wet as well. Now, thank you for watching. Again, if you're interested in seeing some more videos about SwitchBot S10 and how it is compared to other branded robot vacuums as well, please remember to follow us, leave a comment, let us know what it is you want to see, and subscribe to our channel as well. And thanks for watching again, and we will see you very, very soon.